There's a couple products you're gonna need with a sleek bun or ponytail look. I'll show you a couple of my favorites that are good for different reasons. I really like the Day Hair. This is their smoothing cream. It's a 3-in-1 styling cream. It has a lot of good things about it, but one of my favorite things about it is you can use it to sleek back a look, and then it will also kind of brush out the next morning and your hair's back to normal, which is amazing. The other sleek back is the Bedhead Sleek Stick. And this one's intense. Like, you sleek your hair back with this one and it's staying all day. It ain't budging. So these are both great for different things. This one's really good if you're wanting to do a sleek look for one night but have your hair back to normal the next day. It's a little more comfortable. It's a little bit more of a shiny appearance, and it's a little bit more movable. Whereas this one's gonna stay in place all day, which is great if you're wanting something that's not gonna move. You're gonna be doing some activities, you're gonna be running around like crazy, and you want your hair to stay in place. So those are my two favorite products for a sleek look. And then you're always gonna need a comb because you gotta get everything really, really slicked back, and then also a good hair tie. My favorite hair ties are these silk scrunchies. These are from our shop. They hold really well, but they're also gonna cut down on breakage. So let's get started now that we know what products we need. I'm going to begin by combing the back of my hair and starting to get all of the tangles removed and starting that super sleek process. You're wanting to get it as smooth as you possibly can before you put any product on, and then you're gonna put your product on and you're gonna smooth it again, but you really do want it smooth beforehand. It makes a big difference. And depending on what type of look you want, you can part it in the center, you can part it on the side. I usually prefer a side part when I'm doing a sleek look. I feel like it's better for my particular face shape, but you do whatever you're comfortable with. They all look so beautiful. And then don't forget to sleek back that underneath because it's gonna show. I'm gonna show you how to do a ponytail and a bun because you need both. And if you have highlights, I kind of like to place my highlights in certain areas. So as you'll see, I'm moving some around to create the perfect look. Okay, my hair's pretty smoothed out. I'm just gonna go over it with my hands really quickly. And then I'm gonna take my hair tie and I'm gonna put it into a pony. Very secure. So I'm gonna get it as tight as I can. And I'm going to use both products in this video and show you the difference of them. I'm gonna first use the Day Hair styling cream. It smells amazing. It has kind of a deserty smell. Cactus blossom, so good. It's very fruity. Then I'm just gonna begin by putting it on my hair and smoothing it out. You can see it already adds shine to it. You're really gonna want to smooth down those edges. I feel like it makes a big difference. And then sometimes I feel like my part, once I smooth it, it's not perfectly straight. And I'll just go in and straighten the front a tiny bit. And then comb those two little bang pieces back in. Since I already have my comb out, I'm gonna begin smoothing with my comb. In this section, I always like to do everything back. It gives the prettiest appearance. And then, of course, the sides downwards. I'm gonna add a little bit more product. You can see I already have such a clean look. It really lays down all those flyaways. It gives you such a sophisticated style, which is why I think it's so in right now, because it just looks so sophisticated. It's very professional. I wear this to weddings. Almost every wedding I wear a sleek style because it keeps it out of my face and it looks so professional. I usually add chunky earrings with it though, because I think it's so cute and a fun way to show off pretty earrings. Okay, now that I have it slicked back with product, we're gonna remove that hair tie. We're gonna redo it, because after doing the product, you're gonna realize that your bun or your ponytail was not as tight as you originally thought it was. And so you're gonna re-smooth it. Make sure you're following through with that comb to make sure you're getting all of the tangles past your holder. As you can see, I'm doing it with the larger comb side first. And then I'm switching it and going with the smaller side. As you can see, I'm securing my pony kind of in the middle of my head, but a little bit lower. I prefer a low ponytail or a low bun because it keeps it out of my way the most, but I'll show you a little trick for a ponytail that makes it super cute and trendy looking. Okay, so now that I have my ponytail sleeked, I'm gonna take my pony and I'm gonna tease it a little bit. This is gonna give it a little bit more volume and oomph. And it's just gonna make my hair look thicker and fuller overall. And then of course, smoothing that out to make sure it doesn't look tangled. And then one of my favorite things to do is take a sleek looking claw clip and then just clip it directly under. And it gives your ponytail a little bit more volume. It's really cute and it adds a fun little accessory to your look. And I think it's just such a fun, trendy vibe. So we have our ponytail, we have it mostly sleeked, but I'm gonna show you how to use an even more strong product that's gonna keep your hair in place all day. This one really is fantastic. You're gonna push it up and then you're just going to wax your hair down. I know it's kind of weird to hear, but it's so good and it keeps your hair sleek all day. You're just gonna do it all the way around. You do wanna make sure your hair is pretty sleek and combed before though, because once you do this, you don't really wanna mess with it very much. It gives your hair such a shiny finish. I love it. And then this is also so good for sleeking back around your hairline. I feel like the day hair product is so good, but it doesn't get right around your ears and stuff nearly as much. So I feel like this one is better for that specific thing. But the day hair one is amazing because you can brush your hair out the next day and just wear it down again. And to me, I feel like that's the best advantage to it. This one, you're gonna have to wash your hair or wear it sleek the next day too. This is also so good for like a high ponytail that you wanna be really sleek. It's the best for a very sleek look that you wanna stay all day because it really does not budge. And then I'm gonna show you how I do my sleek buns because I just do it super easy. I twist it and then I wrap it. I'm gonna show you how I do my little bun because it's so easy and it really does look so beautiful. So I'm just going to twist my hair around. And sometimes if I want my bun to be really smooth, I will smooth some of the day cream through it. I'm gonna do that today. I don't always want mine to be really smooth. Sometimes I want a super sleek look, but a little bit messy of a bun. But today we're gonna use this. And then I'm gonna twist it around. Then I'm gonna twist it around my pony. And then I'm gonna take my little hairpin from our shop and I'm gonna just put it through that to hold my bun in place. And it also adds a really pretty accessory to the look. And that's all I do.